Okay, we're going to try this again. Start right here, and we're going to try out these switches. Away we go. The guy's been sitting for a while, and you can see we're cleaning. Probably a good test meal for these switches. Not too finicky, but a little bit finicky. And the track ends out there by the third switch. I can't go too far that way. So I'm going to go past the switch. On that track that's raised up in the air there. That's a good spot. So the switch, I did get switch controls tied in on this one and on this one. The third one where he's sitting I did not get done yet because I got to make some decisions there on track. Explain those at the end of the video. Oh, that's interesting. Dirt. Can't imagine why they were doing dirt. Running the wood stove and haven't ran any trains for about a month. I'm working on this instead. That was an interesting little jump. Huh. Back on the pre-existing track. The number 5 is out there. The number 5 is sitting over here just occupying track. Haven't really, we've talked about him before, he's got issues. Let's see what's going on here. His finger, there it is. Back her up a little. Little bump at the frog. That's nothing new. Easy to fix stuff. Well, that worked alright. Got a little issue with this frog here jumping. That's easy to fix. Adjust it. Don't know about this track yet because I don't have the coal bunker lined up or built, finished. This is still loose on the ground, and undone. Got to decide how I'm going to do this part. I know I need a switch and build a crossover in here, so I got a caboose storage track that you can get around. And then I'm got to have a number 8 right-hand switch here. Number 6 is entirely too tight, as you can see. Get a freight house here or repair and place track, rip track, one of the two. Then the opposite will be on that end, a freight house or a rip track, depending. I'll have another switch down there. You can see the template laid out there. So I got to build at least 3 more switches to get this yard finished. And then we'll have a complete yard. All I'll have left to do is finish building some buildings. There'll be a depot here. There'll be the depot special car track. You know, they always have that little spur for business cars or whatever, private cars. And I'll have a complete yard. And we'll be looking at fun adventure of building a turntable on the next thing. And that'll be down here in this hole. Fun, fun, fun. It's always an adventure. See you next time.